Hello guys, welcome back. So we have a news coming up. We have an interest rate coming up for the US dollar in about 40 seconds. And the news is as expected. So the previous interest rate was about 3.75% and the forecast is of 3.75%, which is the same. Now let's see what is the news that is coming up. And also there we have the FOMC statement after that. So let's see how the news goes. And gold has already given a move. Right now we are at the previous daily zone, but on weekly we have a entire week fill, which is up to 4399, which is a very big range. It is not going to get covered today, but let's see. Let's wait for the news. Okay, so the news is already out, and the interest rate is as expected. So the interest rate has come out to be as expected, and we have already got the move. So let's wait for retracement and all the FOMC statements. What do we see on FOMC? We have about 400 pips from which the price can retrace. So we'll wait for what happens. This was the previous trade which I took on gold. FOMC statement is here. So the interest rate has been voted to be constant. And furthermore, they are looking at the rate cut. So they are looking to cut the interest rates. In support, the committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 3.5 to 3.75%, and considering the extent of timing additional adjustments to target the range of federal fund rate. So it is uncertain, but they are willing to cut the rates. See how it's affecting the other pairs. So right now we have a short on GBPUSD because USD is strong. We have a daily sell on GBPUSD. Daily looks good, weekly looks good, 1 hour and the 4 hour looks good. The Geo cell is looking good. So is EU cell is looking good. Yeah. Weekly zone rejections for Geo and EU cell is looking good. Gold has already given the move, so we can go for sells after tomorrow. Right now, Geo cells are looking good. Also, silver cells are there, but it's the same thing. Already we have gotten a big move. Let's see. Tomorrow we have the pound interest rates, nothing else. This is the summary. The only favorable trade I have right now is the GU sell, which is looking good. So I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna take a sell right about here. Gold is gonna continue the downward momentum. Our next target is 4,400. So let's see how the candle closes today and when we can see what to see of gold. But right now we cannot take a sell because already the move has happened. Whereas for GU we can take a sell right now. So I'm gonna take a sell on GBPUSD. So I have taken a sell. My entry price is 43. This is the sell that I have taken. My stop loss is 66. My TP will be this entire range. So we have a sell on daily. This is the daily sell that I'm talking about. We have a sell on daily as well as 4 hour looks bearish, and we have taken a sell based on 1 hour and 30 minutes. I've taken a seller based on 1 hour and 30. I'll just delete this pips, these previous zones which are of no use. So I've taken a sell right about here. My SL is around 23 pips, and I'll go for the entire range up to the previous daily. Yeah, I'll go for the entire range because it is rejecting the previous weekly zone. So yeah, this will be the range I'll be going for. So 23 pips. This will be my 1:1. So around 24 pips. I'll book my 1:1. My trade is already up around 3 pips, 4 pips. Let me just set my partials. So my partial will be around 25 pips. Gold we can take a sell tomorrow. Right now it has already given a move and I don't think it is gonna move any more further. So we'll just wait for tomorrow. We'll wait for today's candle close and then continue in the direction. Will be bearish the entire week. Right now, I have taken a GBPUSD. Any more projections? It's the same thing. Tomorrow we have a lot of important news coming up. First of all, we have the JPY interest rates, then we have the pound interest rates at 5:30 in the evening, and then we have the euro interest rates at 6:45 in the evening. So tomorrow that is what is happening. So tomorrow is gonna be a very happening day. Whereas today we have the USD interest rates, and based on the news, we have taken a sell on pound USD. Let's see how the trade goes. It has already reached the previous daily zone and previous weekly zone. That's why I'm not taking a sell. I'll wait for a rejection and then I'll take a continuation trade. Before that, I won't take a sell on gold because I already took a sell and I booked my profit. So we are already at 14 pips right now, and we have 10 more pips to go for our first TP, where we are going to book 1:1. That's what I was talking about. The gold has already given the move, and gold should retrace, and then tomorrow we should be getting a sell, not right now. Whereas GU and EU, we have a lot of range and we can take sells because we have weekly rejections and daily rejections on our hands. This is the weekly, this is the previous weekly zone, and the candle has rejected exactly from that. So on GU, we have the previous weekly rejections. Just a few pips to 1:1. We are up for about 16 pips, 10 more pips to go. Please look forward to gold for tomorrow, not for today. The candle has closed bearish on GBPUSD. Here for about 20 pips, only 4 more pips to go, and we'll be reaching our TP of 1:1. I missed our TP only by about 2 pips, which is 1:1, but we'll wait. We have reached our 1:1 mark, and I'm gonna book my 90% of position right about here. So this was my today's trade, and on this trade I have booked about $1,424, and I booked 1:1. I shift my stop loss to the high, and I let my runners run. Tomorrow also I'll take the continuation trades as the pound interest rates are coming, and this was for today. Gold I will not trade today. I will just trade tomorrow. I'll wait for a retracement and then I'll take a shot. Today there was two important trades. One was GBPUSD, which was the Fibonacci stocks, and the other one was EURUSD. Both trades were nice, of which we have taken GBPUSD and EURUSD. And this is the trade. I'll let it continue and I'll let it reach the target. Tomorrow, if I get a position, I'll take the trade again. Same trade, same direction, shorts. And that's it. That's it today for the live, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.